Tamales are a popular dish in many Latin American countries, including Peru. Peruvian tamales are made from a mixture of cornmeal and spices, and are usually filled with pork, chicken, or vegetables. They are wrapped in banana leaves and steamed until cooked. Overall, Peruvian cuisine is a fusion of indigenous ingredients and techniques with influences from Europe, Asia, and Africa. From ceviche to tamales, Peruvian cuisine offers a wide range of flavorful dishes that are sure to delight anyone with a love for bold and unique flavors. Sure, here are some additional dishes and drinks that are popular in Peruvian cuisine. Chicha morada. Chicha morada is a refreshing and sweet drink made from purple corn, pineapple, cinnamon, and cloves. It is often served cold and is a popular drink in Peru, especially during hot summer months. Arroz con pollo. Arroz con pollo is a delicious and hearty chicken and rice dish that is flavored with spices such as cumin, garlic, and saffron. The chicken is often cooked with onions, peppers, and peas, and is served with a side of rice. Cuy. Cuy, or guinea pig, is a traditional dish in Peru that is often served during special occasions and festivals. The guinea pig is roasted or fried and is typically served whole with the head and feet still attached. It is often served with potatoes or corn. Pisco sour. Pisco sour is a popular cocktail in Peru made from pisco, a type of brandy made from grapes, lime juice, sugar, and egg whites. It is a refreshing and tangy drink that is often served as an aperitif or after-dinner drink. Causa rellena de atún. Causa rellena de atún is a dish made from mashed potatoes that are seasoned with lime juice and ají amarillo peppers, and then filled with tuna, avocado, and mayonnaise. The dish is often served cold as an appetizer or light meal. Overall, Peruvian cuisine is known for its bold flavors, unique ingredients, and diverse influences. From ceviche to cuy to pisco sour, there is something for everyone in Peruvian cuisine. If you have the chance to try Peruvian food, be sure to explore and try as many dishes as possible to fully appreciate the rich and delicious flavors of this cuisine. Certainly. Here are some more dishes and drinks that are popular in Peruvian cuisine. Chupe de camarones. Chupe de camarones is a hearty shrimp soup that is popular in the coastal regions of Peru. It is made with shrimp, milk, potatoes, eggs, and a variety of spices such as cumin and oregano. The soup is typically served with a side of rice. Ceviche mixto. Ceviche mixto is a variation of the classic Peruvian ceviche that includes a mix of seafood such as shrimp, squid, and octopus, in addition to the traditional sea bass. It is typically served with sweet potato and corn. Tequeños. Tequeños are a popular appetizer in Peru that consist of fried dough filled with queso blanco cheese. They are often served with a side of guacamole or salsa. Picarones. Picarones are a sweet and crispy dessert popular in Peru that are made from a dough made of sweet potato and squash that is flavored with cinnamon and anise. The dough is fried and served with a sweet syrup made from molasses, sugar, and spices. Inca Kola. Inca Kola is a popular soft drink in Peru that is known for its bright yellow color and fruity flavor. It is often described as tasting like bubble gum, and is a favorite among Peruvians.